Hey YouTube, I just want to make a quick video in case some of you are wondering where the inline ATF filter is for the 5 EAT transmission on the 2005-2007 Outbacks and Legacies. It's just right back here behind the battery. In there. And that right there is the inline filter. There's two hoses that run off of it to hard lines. They're right here. I'm replacing those today, so I just want to make a quick video, show you guys where this is. If you have a leak underneath your kind of your bumper, your wheel well area, I have a leak coming off of right here, and the culprit for that is those faulty hoses. They have about 250,000 miles on them, so yeah, they're pretty much shot. I'm gonna replace them today with two new hoses that I got from the Subaru dealership. All right, that's it.